Go.
Respected judges, esteemed teachers, and dear friends, good morning to all of you. I am Sonali Senapati, student of class 9 of Rupert Government High School. Today I am here in the seminar to present my views on the topic implementation of science and technology in daily life. We get up in the morning from the ringing of our alarm clocks and go to bed at night after switching our lights off. All these are result of science and technology. Today we cannot expect our life without science and technology. Science and technology is important because it influences most every life, including food, medicine, transportation, apps. Before going to the topic, I would like to clarify that science and technology are two different things, but they are closely related to each other. Science is knowing, but technology is doing. Science based on law, principle, theory, whereas technology based on product, process, and design. Science gives emphasis on discovery, whereas technology on invention. As there are difference between science and technology, but they are interlinked in such a manner that they play a crucial role in our daily life. Hence, we need both of them. Now, I am telling about some important implementation of science and technology in daily life. Rule in education sector. Technology allows students to help each other and work together across to better understand the material. The COVID-19 has resulted schools shut all across the world. Globally, as a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms to minimize educational disruption. Countries around the world have swiftly shifted to online and remote learning to ensure sustainable, high quality and flexible learning and teaching. At the center of many of these learning strategies is the use of technology. In many contexts, technology can provide learning continuity when students cannot be physically present in their classroom. In many response to significant demand, many online learning platforms are offering to their free access to their services, including platforms like YouTube, Madhya, Vedantu, Study iPads. Rule in health sector. We cannot deny the benefit of science and technology in health sector. It is believed that scientific discovery and technological innovation in medical science will be able to cure various life-threatening diseases. Technology is constantly evolving and is particularly important in the healthcare setting. Technology enables physicians to provide a premium care and allow patients the best possible odds for recovery. Example of medical mechanic range from such as CT scanner to instruments used in complex surgical procedures. Technology has undoubtedly saved millions of lives and benefited several areas of the patient care. This looks set to continue in the future. Telemedicine refers to method of advancing telehealth based on telecommunication technology. There are several reasons telehealth is become more popular and successful. First, in rural areas where access to hospitals and other are health service and other health-related services are lacking. Patients can use their computer to meet virtually with a doctor, and secondly, the cost benefit associated with telehealth are substantial. In the COVID-19 situation, an application app, Arogya Setu, was developed that provides people with important information, including way to avoid corona infection, its symptoms. Rule in business sector. Technology increased efficiency of business communication. Instead, they get calls. They don't need to be traveling into the office to receive new assignments. They get calls, and while in the field, workers on the field and remote workers can stay connected to the office and colleagues thanks to email, text messages or WhatsApp messages. Development in communication and in information technology have made business can stay connected at any given time. Efficiency, their productivity and abilities when react when difficulties arise. Technology in business made it possible to have a wider reach in the global market. Anyone can now do business anywhere in the world. Rule in transport sector. Technology has played a significant part in transport enhancement. Cars have been built to become faster and more fuel efficient. The rise of hybrid technology allows cars to use both self-charging mechanism and fuel to achieve maximum speed. This is achieved without emitting toxic gases into the atmosphere. Supercars, which are also known to be fast, have been designed with aerodynamic bodies and advanced engines to reach top speeds. Rule in agriculture sector. In that time, science has become a large component of innovation and quality control in agriculture. Centuries ago, our ancestors harvested their crops and prepared their land by hand or with the aid of a horse-pulled plow. Their Nowadays, farmers are using their tractors, cultivators, cultipackers, and harvesters. When mechanization became a reality in the world, agriculture, everything changed for farmers, specifically their efficiency. The technology innovation in farming equipment allow farmers to complete tasks in significantly less time than it would have taken our ancestors. Additionally, there are water irrigation systems that farmers allow them to water their crops from their smartphones. Rule in internet. One of the best gifts science has given us is the internet. The internet, we can stay connected to our family and friends. We can study whatever we want. Top topics like calculus, laws of motion have become easier to understand with the help of videos and study material available over the internet. There are various rules of internet in our daily life that is achieved due to the advancement of science and technology. Internet used to speed up daily tasks. The internet is very much useful in our daily routine tasks. For example, it helps us to see our notification and emails. Apart from this, people can use the internet for money transfer, shopping, order online food ads. Use of the internet for shopping. With the help of the internet, anybody can order online products online. The increase in online shopping has also resulted in companies offering a hug discount for their customers. Digital transaction. The internet facilitates internet banking, mobile banking, and e-wallets. Torrent travel. During torrent travel, the use of internet is highly effective as it serves as a guide. People browse the internet before they start visiting the places. In conclusion, we must admit that the science and technology have led human civilization to achieve perfection in living. Science and technology has best used in all fields of human life. It is so great important to make our life easier. It gives answer of all curiosity of us related to life. It gives wings to our imagination by its fact and theories. As science is always useful, but technology is both useful and harmful, and that is completely depend how can we use it. So I would like to say that science of the today's technology.